Turn off compatibility mode on Excel. So if you want to turn off your compatibility, you have to watch this video till the end and follow the guidelines. First of all, open up your Microsoft Excel on your device. Once you have opened up your Microsoft Excel, here on your Microsoft Excel, you can see your topic here on the top. Once you have seen your topic, you have to navigate to your file option. And once you are on your file option, you have to navigate to your info here. So here you can find your info. So once you are on your info option, here you have to look for the option of compatibility mode. So you will find the compatibility mode here, and you have to just go for the compatibility mode. And after you have find the compatibility mode on your Microsoft Excel, here on my Microsoft Excel, the compatibility mode hasn't been shown. So if you have that, you have to just go and tab on that compatibility mode of your Microsoft Excel. And after that, here then you will after that you will be given after that there will be some prompts and you have to follow the on screen instruction and then tab on the as option. So that's it. How we can do that. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.